Welcome back. This 20-year-old neglected BMW 7 Series has come a long way. When we started, the underbody was covered in rust, the interior had mold from years of water leaks, and the whole car was a mess. We stripped everything out, the entire underbody, the upholstery, the seats, the dashboard, the heater and air conditioning box, the carpets, until there was nothing left but bare metal and wiring. Now the rust has been treated, the mold is gone, and the car is finally clean. So now we begin putting it back together. First up, the individual floor carpets and the heater and air conditioning box. So let's get to it. That's a nicely fitted rear part of the carpet. Now to the front one. For easier fitting of the carpet, I'm securing the steering column. The individual floor carpets are installed. Now to the HVAC box. It's important not to forget those plastic spacers. I had to fiddle with it so the unit would fit back into its original position. I connected all the heater core hoses and the AC lines from the engine side off camera, as there was no suitable angle for recording the work. Now the dashboard internal support frame. To figure out the exact routing for all these wires around the support frame, I'm working from pictures and videos I took during the disassembly. It's a simple trick that saves a lot of headaches. I'm also retaping wiring where the original tape no longer sticks. Little vacuuming, the footrest pedal, before fitting the accelerator pedal, I'm retaping the wiring since the old tape has failed. Next step, installing the steering column to the dashboard support frame. Next steps, wiring for the center console, the rear additional display and the airbag module. the subwoofer covers, the zip ties, final details such as securing the wiring as it was from the factory. This 7 Series didn't have the corner foams fitted, but the donor individual 7 Series did. I'm not sure if they were part of the individual package or just added in later production years. Either way, I'm putting them in. And that's it for this episode. The carpets are in, the HVAC unit is back in place, and everything is ready for the next phase. In the next episode we'll finally tackle the leather. The individual dashboard and all other leather parts are waiting. First, we'll try a careful cleaning to see if we can revive them. If that doesn't work, redyeing will be the only option. Certainly, for the front seats, redyeing is clearly the only choice. But we'll see about the rest. Either way, the interior is finally coming back together. If you're enjoying the journey, make sure to subscribe, like and leave a comment to help grow the channel. Thanks for watching and I'll see you in the next episode.